Welcome to our Angular tutorial on lazy loaded feature modules. Let's start by looking at App Routing Module TS. Here, we define our application's main routing configuration. Notice the route with the feature path. Instead of a direct component reference, it has a load children function. This function dynamically imports the feature module when the feature path is accessed. This is the essence of lazy loading. The module is only loaded when needed, which can significantly improve the initial load time of your application. Now let's move on to the feature module itself. Now we're looking at feature module TS. This is our lazy loaded feature module. It contains the ing module decorator, where you declare any components that belong to this module. It also imports common module for common Angular directives and services, and more importantly, it imports feature routing module, which handles routing within the feature module itself. At this point, the module does not declare any components, but in a real-world scenario, this is where you would list them. Let's take a closer look at the routing configuration for this module next. In Feature Routing Module TS, we set up the routes specifically for our feature module using the router module for child method. This is different from router module for route that we used in the main routing module. Here, our routes are associated with components within the feature module. In this example, we have a single route that maps the empty path to feature component. This means that when users navigate to feature, Angular will load feature component from the lazily loaded feature module. This separates the routing concerns and ensures modularity within our application. And there you have it. A simple, yet effective way to implement lazy loaded feature modules in Angular to enhance performance and user experience.